An important part of hand dyeing at home is handling the dye powder safely. Hi, I'm Kristen. Welcome to the Dye School, where I teach you how to hand dye fabric, yarn, and clothes to color your world. Today, I will show you how to set up a mixing box so you can have a safe area for weighing and measuring dye powder. You only need a few things, and you probably already have them around the house, so let's get to it. For the best how-to info about hand dyeing natural fiber fabric, yarn, and clothing, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I post new videos every Tuesday morning, Eastern Standard Time, and sometimes more frequently than that. Let's get your supplies together. To set up a mixing box, you will need a plastic storage tote or a cardboard box, some newspaper, paper towel, and a spray bottle with water in it. First, put your box or storage tote on its side so that the opening is toward you. Next, arrange a couple of layers of newspaper in the bottom of the box or tote. Put a layer of paper towel on top of the newspaper. Spray the paper towel with a misting of water. Your mixing box is now all set for you to weigh and handle dry dye powder. Let me talk briefly about being safe when you hand dye at home. Dyes should be handled with the same respect and forethought as any household chemical. Whenever you can, set up your dye area in a place away from food, pets, and children. Wear gloves and a mask when you handle dye powders. Wear gloves when you rinse and handle the things that you dye. Be smart, be safe. Check with your dye supplier for detailed safety guidelines. What do you do to handle dye powder safely? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to set up a dye studio at your house, I wrote a free guide to help you get started. Click on the link in the description below. I talk about supplies you'll need, how to choose a good spot in your house for hand dyeing, and there's a glossary of dyeing terms. Go check it out. For more how-to information about hand dyeing, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my Facebook and Instagram accounts at The Dye School, and check out my other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.